na pinangungunahan ni Alyssa Valdez at
Serving
ni
to start the
Rosemary
match,
Vargas.
Captain
Now,
Chisa.
nabanggit na hindi pa po maglalaro ang dalawang Thai imports ng BOC kasi meron pong proseso na kailangan pagdaanan ng mga pupunan na nagre-recruit ng mga international team sa bawat posisyon dahil talentado yung mga spikers na itong si Coach Tess Maguilar.
Ang tawag ko dyan, ito ay happy problem. Mabuti ng marami.
Jurel Singh, kaka-champion lang yan, gaya ng binanggit mo kanina, Coach Ron.
Oo.
Now wearing the pink and green from blue and gold to pink and mashers. Emnas! Power tip with two hands.
Nahuli si Eulalio.
BOC 11.
Nasabi ni Coach Les Maguilar, pwesto. Aray.
Mabigat na serve mula kay Jurel Singh.
Oo. Individually, talagang big names, big games. Pero how do you mesh them together?
Sultanes finishes
Well, that's familiarity right there.
set number
It
1.
was magtrabaho pagdating sa receptions. Riza Mandapat is there, Rosemary Vargas, pati ang Karinang Libero. And it's wonderful experience to see Chisa na talagang hinahangaan during her playing days with
Sobra.
Rizal.
Ito, nung finals. So, at din siya nag-work.
Valdez finds spot.
Liza Valdez
BOC
able to elevate.
Pag nasabit na yung requirements na kinakailangan nila.
And also in the lineup, Vargas recovers. Here's Valdez. And Valdez is putting the Transformers on her back right now.
Offensively. But Mandapat and Vargas are working harder.
Villegas, Corpus was there. Emnas, binigay dito kay Valdez.
Valdez.
Nayanig ang depensa ng Lawag.
Pwede mong ihelan tulad sa isang haymaker.
Roa, the two Elizas doing a great job with their floor defense. Pero BOC able to tie things up with that thrilling rally.
Ating second set because they had to set points. Doon sa bandang dulo, 24-22.
Sir.
Yung kanyang tinrabaho dun sa bandang dulo para makapalo. Itong si Rosemary Vargas.
Samantala, Jonah Corpus, Vargas sends it to the other side. Eroa, Urdas, and Mike Urdas is able to score.
All she needed was to change its biggest 6 na kalamangan, 6 na puntos. Nabinura ni Eliza at
Valdez
5.
finds the 9.
Comes in. She had 7 points sa kanilang huling laban. Valdez, nagkikigit na.
Valdez from the
Coach Ronnie.
match.
At inatake agad yung kapapasok lang na si George Santarita.
Lawag,
His
21.
mother was interviewed earlier ni Janine Choi. And that's
Prado, cross court, hindi gumana. Valdez! You knew it was coming.
Valdez with a cross-court kill.
so many chances wasted by Lawag. And now,
Emnas does just that. But the set was too close
Goes out.
to the net. Napakasakit.
Serving to start the set.
So set number 4, it's a do-or-die set now. We can call them the Galang Eroa tandem versus the lone libero on the BOC side.
Dapa, Johnson.
parang yung setters, dalawa rin ang ginagamit.
Emnas to Vargas.
Vargas off the block.
A lot of power.
Yes.
Outside.
Vargas. Said. Singh. And blocking. Napaka-solid para sa Transformers. Jonah Corpus again.
Yan.
We were just mentioning the free balls being given up
Yan.
by the Power Smashers.
Dalawang magkasunod na free balls. At dalawang magkasunod na
Number 4. Valdez na naman! Eliza Valdez closes the set.
unbelievable.
Coach Ronnie, kung naka-32
Yan,
itong si Eliza Valdez,
nakaka-atake ng tama.
here's Valdez. And that is point number 33
With a drop shot.
for Eliza Valdez.
1.
Emnas tossing it up to Valdez. 34 points now for the Phenom.
That's the best way to beat the triple block.
Rosemary Vargas.
Ito team play, ito team sport to. Pero paborito ko rin sport ang tennis.
And Marzan, the last 2 points para sa BOC nang galing sa kanya.
BOC. Now
Tones. Valdez keeps the rally going. Vargas for the win. Rosemary Vargas. Tinapos ang laban. At ang BOC Transformers,
takes set number 5.
wala pa rin.
Talo na, nanalo pa. Talo na, nakahabol pa, and eventually